the difference between a watch and a warning? Well, a watch is like the yellow light on a traffic light. Watch. Yellow light. It means caution. Pay attention so you stay out of danger. Bad weather might be coming your way. What about a warning? A warning is like the red light. Warning. Red light. It means stop. Take action now to stay out of danger. Bad weather is in your area now. A thunderstorm watch. A thunderstorm watch means that there is a chance of a thunderstorm coming to your area. So keep your eyes on the sky and listen for thunder. If you do hear thunder, make sure to go inside to a safe place. A thunderstorm warning. A thunderstorm warning means that thunder and lightning are in your area now. Be sure to go inside, stay away from windows, and don't use a phone that has a cord. The best way to get weather information is from a weather radio. This is your typical weather radio. It turns on automatically when there is bad weather. Its warnings can save your life. The reports on a weather radio follow a certain pattern. Let's listen.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Suwannee County. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
First, let's listen for the report type. Is it a watch or a warning?
This is a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yes, it is a warning, so we know that it is serious. What type of storm is the warning about? Severe means very strong or dangerous. The warning is for a severe thunderstorm. Next, the report tells us why it is dangerous.
Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
There are reports of large hail the size of a nickel and winds of 60 miles per hour or higher. The next part of this report tells us what to prepare for. Listen.
Prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
Prepare for destructive winds. Destructive winds can damage houses, break windows, and blow things away. Damaging hail. Damaging hail can break car windows, harm people and pets, and destroy plants. Deadly lightning. Deadly lightning can kill you. To summarize, just remember this: when thunder roars, go indoors.